You all have heard about fatty liver, but there is not much explanation to it all. Well, this certainly will help guide you through it. Fatty liver disease, also known as hepatic steatosis, is a condition characterized by the accumulation of excess fat within the liver cells. This condition is often reversible, but if left untreated, it can progress to more severe forms, ultimately leading to liver damage and other complications. But what triggers this fat buildup in the liver? Let's explore. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Stay till the end, the last advice will be revolutionary for you. Diet, a key factor. One of the primary causes of fatty liver disease is our diet. Regular consumption of processed foods, sugary drinks, and saturated fats can overwhelm the liver, leading to excess fat storage. For instance, frequently indulging in sugary sodas, fried snacks, and sweet treats can significantly contribute to fat accumulation in the liver. Another dietary factor is the overuse of omega-6 rich vegetable oils, such as palm oil, sunflower oil, margarine, and cottonseed oil. These oils can promote inflammation in liver cells and disrupt the normal process of fat digestion. The impact of a sedentary lifestyle. A lack of physical activity is another major contributor to fatty liver disease. When the body is inactive, it doesn't burn enough calories, resulting in excess fat storage, much of which can end up in the liver. For example, sitting for long periods without breaks and avoiding regular exercise can lead to the development of fatty liver disease. The role of insulin resistance. Insulin resistance, which is often associated with conditions like obesity and type 2 diabetes, plays a significant role in fatty liver disease. When the body becomes resistant to insulin, it struggles to regulate blood sugar effectively, leading to increased fat storage in the liver. A high intake of refined carbohydrates, such as white bread and sugary cereals, can contribute to insulin resistance and subsequently to fatty liver disease. Genetics and hormonal changes. Genetics can also influence the risk of developing fatty liver disease. Some individuals may be genetically predisposed to this condition. Additionally, hormonal changes, such as those that occur during pregnancy or due to certain medical conditions, can disrupt the balance of fat in the liver. Examples include a family history of liver issues and hormonal imbalances related to conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome, PCOS. Alcohol consumption, a major risk factor. Excessive alcohol consumption is a well-known risk factor for fatty liver disease, specifically alcoholic fatty liver disease. This condition occurs when fat builds up in the liver due to the toxic effects of alcohol. Regularly consuming large quantities of alcohol, whether it's beer, wine, or spirits, can lead to significant fat accumulation in the liver, posing a serious health risk. Now that we've covered some of the causes of fatty liver disease, let's move on to the top 8 signs that may indicate the presence of this condition. Being aware of these signs can help you take early action against this silent threat. Sign 1. Spider veins. Spider veins, which are tiny, web-like veins visible on the skin, can be an indicator of poor liver function. When the liver struggles to perform its duties, blood flow can be affected, leading to the appearance of these veins. The liver plays a crucial role in regulating blood circulation, and any disruption can manifest as visible changes on the skin. Sign 2. Red palms. Red palms or palmar erythema can signal liver issues due to increased blood flow and dilation of small blood vessels in the hands. Liver dysfunction can cause changes in blood vessels, leading to this noticeable reddish tint. Sign 3. Swollen abdomen or ascites. A swollen abdomen, also known as ascites, is a condition where fluid accumulates in the abdominal cavity. As fatty liver disease progresses, the liver's ability to manage and regulate fluids diminishes. This can result in fluid buildup, causing abdominal swelling and discomfort. Sign 4. Enlarged blood vessels in the abdomen. Enlarged blood vessels in the abdomen or varices can develop as a result of liver dysfunction. When the liver is under strain, blood flow can be obstructed, leading to the swelling of blood vessels in the stomach and esophagus. These varices are delicate and can easily rupture, leading to potentially life-threatening bleeding. Sign 5. Itchy skin. Persistent itching, particularly without an apparent cause, is often associated with impaired liver function. The liver is responsible for detoxifying the body, and when it's overwhelmed with fat, toxins can accumulate in the skin, leading to itchiness. If you're experiencing unexplained persistent itching, it could be a sign that your liver needs attention. Sign 6. Shoulder blade pain. Pain between the shoulder blades can be an uncommon yet significant sign of liver stress. The liver is located just below the right ribcage, and when it becomes enlarged or inflamed, it can cause discomfort in the area between the shoulder blades. If you have unexplained pain in this region, it might be time to check your liver health. Sign 7. Dark patches on the skin. Dark patches on the skin, known as acanthosis nigricans, are often linked to insulin resistance, a common factor in fatty liver disease. Insulin resistance can disrupt the body's ability to regulate blood sugar, which can then manifest as dark, velvety patches in body folds and creases. Sign 8. Nail changes. Changes in the appearance of your nails, such as white lines or discoloration, can be indicative of liver dysfunction. The liver plays a key role in nutrient absorption and distribution, and when it's compromised, it can affect the health of your nails. If you notice significant changes in your nails, it could signal underlying issues with the liver. With an understanding of the signs and symptoms of fatty liver disease, it's time to take action. Here are 5 practical ways you can improve your liver health and reduce unwanted fat accumulation. 1. Adopt a healthy diet. Your liver thrives on nutrients, so it's important to adopt a well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Limiting your intake of processed foods, sugars, and saturated fats not only supports liver function, but also helps in managing weight, one of the key factors in reducing fatty liver disease. To further support your liver, consider incorporating foods known for their liver cleansing properties. For instance, garlic contains sulfur compounds that can activate liver enzymes, helping the body flush out toxins. Leafy greens such as spinach and kale are high in chlorophyll, which aids in detoxifying the liver. Additionally, consuming foods rich in fiber, like oatmeal and beans, can help reduce the absorption of fat in the liver. 2. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for liver health. It aids in flushing out toxins and supports the digestive process. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Additionally, you can incorporate liver-friendly beverages like green tea, which is rich in antioxidants that promote liver health. To optimize hydration, consider consuming herbal teas with liver-supporting properties. 3. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining liver health. Exercise helps burn fat, manage weight, and improve insulin sensitivity, all critical in combating fatty liver disease. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. 4. Reduce alcohol intake. Cutting back on alcohol is one of the most effective ways to protect your liver. Moderating your alcohol consumption, or better yet, eliminating it entirely, can give your liver the chance to regenerate and heal. 5. Get adequate sleep. Sleep is often overlooked in discussions about liver health, but it plays a crucial role in the body's ability to repair and regenerate. During sleep, the liver works to process and eliminate toxins, balance hormones, and support overall bodily functions. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to give your liver the rest it needs. To improve sleep quality, establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Create a relaxing bedtime routine that includes activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Reducing caffeine and screen time in the evening can also help promote better sleep. 6. Manage stress. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on liver health. When the body is under stress, it releases hormones like cortisol, which can lead to inflammation and increased fat storage in the liver. Finding ways to manage stress is essential for maintaining liver health. By making these lifestyle changes, you'll not only support your liver but also improve your overall well-being. Understanding the signs and causes of fatty liver disease is crucial for early detection and intervention. If any of these symptoms resonate with you, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for a comprehensive evaluation. Remember, maintaining liver health is vital for your overall health. If you found this video informative, make sure to give a like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any future videos.